Hi, this is Emma Roth, and I will be talking about Chapter 14 for my Reflection 3. I would say that this text focused on the importance of reading assessment and how it can be used to close the gap in learning when it's used accurately. The results of assessment have potential. They can really influence instruction in the classroom and alter the way we teach certain students, or maybe all of the students that we have, if they are accurate. However, many results are thin. They do not assess motive, strategies, or understanding. They are simply just based on habit. But in order for us to really close that gap, which would mean teaching to students' needs, we have to focus on process over product. This would be focusing on metacognition, what they're thinking as they're thinking about thinking. It would allow students to use different strategies and skills as the teacher can see what they're doing and talk to them about it. It is called classroom-based assessment. When it comes to using what we comprehend, a good example of this would be rubrics. When a student is given an assignment, they're given a rubric. You read it well, and that pretty much determines how well you follow through, if you do, with the assignment. As well as higher level thinking cannot be summed up in yes or no answers or multiple choice. We have to have them truly understanding what the author's intention is. With internet and hypertext, students need to be able to accurately maneuver online, find out what information is accurate and reliable and what is not. But the whole entire goal of classroom-based assessment is students to self-assess so that they can truly grow on their own, as well as continual teacher growth is very important. My personal application would be, as a past student, I experienced in the 5th grade comprehension versus application. I comprehended a bell ringer that was given to me as a 5th grader on the very first day. It was numbered 1 through 25, and the first question was, please write your name. So I wrote my name at the top. Second one was answer number 25, and then put your pencil down and wait for everyone else to finish. And I was confused by that, and I didn't apply it, so I filled all of the questions in between. And this was a trick our teacher used to see if we were really comprehending and applying while we were reading instructions. This would be a good trick to use as a teacher. As a future parent, I would need to spend time motivating my student and keeping my teacher of my child accountable. As well as for a teacher, I need to focus on continual growth. When it comes to my professional evaluation, I would say this text covers key concepts, challenges the student and the teacher. For the critique, I would say the intro is very repetitive and long. I found that for all chapters that it takes a while to get into the nitty-gritty of the text or the real meat of the text. The facts and info, however, are well organized, and it has a very satisfying conclusion as it talks about students being able to assess themselves and teachers having continual growth. When it comes to the biblical application, I would say that not all learners are the same. In your class, you may have a student with learning disabilities or special needs, and this is the reason why we have to have continual growth so that we can learn to help them. Jesus said, "Let the little children come to me, and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of heaven belongs to such as these." My reference slides are as follows. Thank you for watching.